In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Excel CSV file in Wix. Start by opening your site layout in the Wix editor. This is where you will place the file link on your page so visitors can access it easily. If you already know where you want the download option to appear, go to that section of the page before adding anything. This helps keep your layout organized and makes the button easier for users to find. Next, go to the left side panel and click the Add Elements icon, which is shown as a plus sign. From there, choose Button. Wix will show you different button styles and designs. Pick the one that fits your site, then drag it onto the page. This button will act as the clickable download link for your spreadsheet file. Once the button is on the page, click on it to open the action menu. In that menu, select the link icon, which looks like a small chain link. This opens the link settings for the button. In the window that appears, look at the menu on the left side and click Document. This is the option you will use when you want a button to open or download a file instead of linking to another page or website. After that, click Choose File. This will open the Wix Media Manager, where your site files are stored. If your spreadsheet has not been uploaded yet, go to the top left corner and click Upload Media. Then select your Excel file or CSV file from your device and wait for the upload to finish. Make sure you choose the correct file, since this is the version your visitors will be able to access. When the upload is complete, click on the spreadsheet file so it becomes highlighted. Then click Add to Page. This attaches the document to your button. After that, click Done in the Link Settings panel to confirm everything. The final step is to click Publish. This is important because the file link will not be live on your website until your latest changes are published. Once your site is published, visitors can click the button and download the raw spreadsheet file directly. That covers everything you need to know.